Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where the levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First thing first, just to kind of start things off and establish a little bit of context, as far as this very nice move that happened right there is concerned, that was just a fake move. That was a faulty move. Whatever you want to call it, there was no true strength behind that move. What gives me the right to say that that was a fake move and there's no strength behind it? Well, look at where the price is right now. Look at where it closed today. And if you correspond that back to this area of the chart, you can see that the price has gone right back to where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that do have actual true strength don't go back to where they were. They make some sort of form of progress forward. So that's why I say that as far as the big movement that occurred on Wednesday is concerned, yeah, that was just a fake move, no true power behind it. Now, that is just talking about the past 2 days, right? That is just talking about this area of the chart. So sure, that was very bearish in the sense of the price just totally collapsed right back downwards. But looking at things from more so the bigger picture, everything is still fine, as far as overarching levels of support are concerned. That main level of support being down here right around $7.70. So even if the price did pull back some more, which would make, technically speaking, that breakout move that much nastier, think about what that would still be giving you, though. And I'm not saying this will happen, but just to really illustrate the point, the price could still come all the way down here, and if it behaved in that manner, went sideways and started to work its way back upwards, sure, from where it was up here, to think that it would drop all the way down there, that's a nasty move. But from the big picture of things, what would that still give you? Well, that'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that consolidation set right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, the big picture stair steps are still clearly progressing in the upwards direction, even if the price were to, continue to pull back like it's been doing. So again, short-term wise, yeah, very, very bearish. But looking at more than just a couple of days, which we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunities to chip away and build that overall higher base. As far as levels of resistance, if there's going to be any sort of return kind of move to the upside, that first key level of resistance right there at $8.15. And then, yeah, after there, nothing fancy other than the fact that the party stopped overall right up around $8.55. So again, short-term wise, yeah, a pretty bearish move. But taking a step back, looking at more than just the past 2 days, you can see the price does still have an overall chance to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.